Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to create or delete an FTP account in cPanel. First, log in to cPanel. Click the FTP Accounts button in the Files section. In the Add FTP Account section, fill in the fields as needed. Click the Create FTP Account button. You will then see a message stating account created. Once the FTP account is set up, click the Configure FTP Client link. The manual FTP settings and downloadable configuration files for popular FTP programs will be shown. Click the FTP Configuration File button to download a configuration file. Then you can import the configuration into your FTP program. Open the program and fill in the information. Now, you successfully logged in with the FTP account you just created. Next, if you want to delete an FTP account, in FTP Accounts, find the FTP account you want to remove. Then click the Delete button. Two buttons will drop down. Choose if you want to delete account or delete account and files. If you're not sure which option to select, then choose Delete account. If you need to, you can always go back and delete the unneeded files.